Intelligent image extraction. Extract existing images. Put the object with the image to be extracted into Làser Box. Click the marquee icon in the toolbar on the left side. Select the image. Use the eraser tool to erase unwanted parts of the image, and click the confirm icon to complete extraction. Extract hand-drawn images. You can draw an image on a paper and extract it for further creation. That's all. Thanks for watching.